Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Medaros, and for today's quick tutorial, then I'm going to show you guys on how to make the both options when replying to all emails in Gmails. The reply all options meaning that you don't have to select individual recipients of the email and you'd rather prepare to just send it to all recipients or original people that are included on the email chain. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay open lang natin ang ating Gmail account and then click mo lang itong Gmail. And then dito lang sa top right corner and then select mo lang dito yung settings. And then makikita mo dito yung quick settings. And then next ay kailangan mo lang itap tong see all settings. And then dito sa see all settings ay scroll down ka lang and then makikita mo kaagad dito yung default reply behavior. Okay, so may dalawang options dito na pwede natin gawin. Yung una ito yung reply. Okay, so single recipient lang ito mga kaibigan. Okay, kapag sinik mo naman itong reply all, so hindi mo na kailangan mag-select dito ng isang recipients, kundi lahat na po siya. Once nakapag-select ka na dito sa dalawang options na to, dito sa default reply behavior, and then scroll down, and then kailangan mo lang i-click tong save changes. So click mo lang dito, and then yan, ganun lang po kasimple. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.